To the winter or Christmas decoration of the entrance doors, we must not forget. Tune in visitors and passers-by to the right Christmas atmosphere. Before we start, please subscribe and share my channel. I will greatly appreciate it, and it will help me in further creations. Thank you. The entrance to the house is a business card that says a lot about you. Moreover, old Chinese used to place various talismans on this important spot, whose symbolism was supposed to bring abundance, health, and prosperity to the house. Whether you approach your front door in any way, in the pre-Christmas time, you should pay increased attention to it. If you are not a fan of overtly Christmas decorations, you can decorate the doors in a winter spirit. And what exactly does that mean? Use evergreen branches for decorations. Ideal are fir, smooth pine, dry spruce branches, or evergreen oak, thyme, blueberry branches, or hydrangeas, and if you want a bit of color, add branches of holly, rabbit tails with dyed dry fruits, orange, cinnamon, pine cones. Even if you use natural materials through and through, these decorations can last for several months, so they can be an eye-catching ornament until the first spring days. And by then, you'll want to be done with winter and dress the entrance in spring tones. In simplicity, there is beauty. There is so much truth in this worn-out phrase. Just gather evergreen branches in the forest and with the help of wire, make a garland that you simply hang around the frame. You can complement the simple and beautiful decoration with tied branches, with which you decorate the doors. And a great decoration is in the world, and what's more, it costs a minimum, but it will create plenty of beauty. If you are the owner of original buildings with antique doors with a handle, then just a branch itself and a simple bough are enough. And the winter and Christmas atmosphere is in the world. A wreath doesn't have to have only a circular shape. Doors don't have to be decorated only with classic wreaths. Most often, these are branches arranged in a bouquet, which are hung either up or down with branches. Then we can decorate them with a jute bough, wooden decorations, or even with bark strings. The size depends on the width of the doors. Remember in production that decorations should end at least 5 centimeters before the edge so as not to interfere with the doors or be in the way. Multiple wreaths on one door can look nice. Wreath enthusiasts can use more at once. For double doors, we hang them on each side. For standard ones, we can hang them below or create a figurine, a snowman, simply whatever comes to mind. Such a robust decoration requires additional accessories. Use wider ribbons and ornaments, choose one type and color, because the decoration itself is already quite distinctive.